Hi, I'm Chef John Da Silva, chef and owner of Chickadee Restaurant in Boston, Massachusetts. And today I'll be cooking grilled duck linguiça with pineapple, smoked almonds, and crispy garlic. I do have Portuguese roots. My grandfather was Portuguese. He was born in Lisbon and fisherman, so we would have salt cod hanging in the basement. Not a typical upbringing, but certainly very inspirational. One of my all-time favorites Portuguese snacks is grilled pineapple and linguiça. And then this is just Chickadee's take on a really fun dish. Some of my earliest food memories would be, just all like the smells and the sounds happening in the kitchen. My grandmother, she would, always be cooking me like a Portuguese stew. There would always be something simmering on the stove when I got home from school. Linguiça, potatoes, kale, dried beans, and just the most delicious broth. Before, we're going to be serving the linguiça with this really nice apo blanco, a smoked almond puree seasoned with garlic, lots of olive oil, and delicious sherry vinegar. And then I'm just going to lay down a pile of this beautiful duck linguiça that we made in-house. And I'm just going to make a really nice fresh salad with all this beautiful fresh pineapple, smoked almonds, parsley leaves, a little fresh cilantro, and give it a toss. And it's gonna really kind of cool off the heat from the sausage with the sweetness from the pineapple. It's gonna be really juicy and provide some really nice textural and flavor contrasts against the grilled linguiça. And then finally, because I'm kind of a heat freak, we're gonna add this crispy garlic and chili oil. There's a little bit of toasted cumin and coriander in there as well. That's going to give it a nice heat. And there you have it. So if you're really into Portuguese food and you like what I cooked here, join us in March. We're going to be traveling to Portugal. We're going from Lisbon to Porto, and we're going to be exploring the cuisine, the culture, and the history of Portugal. So join me. We'd love to have you.